Start.
हॅलो हॅलो वेलकम बॅक. आपण नेक्स्ट डेरिवेशन स्टार्ट करत आहोत. पॅरलल ॲक्सिस थेरम. स्टेट अँड एक्सप्लेन द पॅरलल ॲक्सिस थेरम असा क्वेश्चन आपल्याला विचारला जातोय. बघा इथे फिगर काढलेली आहे. फिगर नंतर एक्सप्लेन करतो. आपल्याला इक्वेशन काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे बघा. I0 is equal to IC plus MH square. We have to prove that I0 is equal to IC plus MH square. Okay, starting from the theorem सांगतं the parallel axis theorem state that the moment of inertia about any axis is equal to the sum of the moment of inertia which is passing through the center of a mass of a body and the product of mass of a body and the square of distance between the two parallel axes. It's called as parallel axis theorem. Okay, consider a rigid body having the mass capital M. A rigid body consists of having mass M and I is equal to integration of R square dm. For the continuous distribution of masses, moment of inertia should be like this. Okay, and OC is equal to H from the figure. In the moment of inertia for MOP I0 is equal to integration of OD square into dm, equation first, and the moment of inertia for MI means the moment of inertia for ACB IC is equal to integration of CD square into the dm, equation second. Okay, next. In triangle ODN, by using the Pythagoras theorem काय सांगतोय? OD square is equal to dn square plus ON square, and using the equation number first, I0 is equal to integration of OD square into dm. Put the value of OD square, we get integration of dn square plus ON square bracket close dm. Okay, dn square as it is, but ON is equal to, what is ON? What is the value of ON? ON is equal to OC plus CN. Therefore, above equation becomes I0 is equal to integration of dn square plus OC plus CN bracket square dm. Okay, now A plus B bracket square integration of dn square plus OC square plus 2 into OC into CN plus CN square dn. Okay, but dn square and CN square from the figure, dn square and CN square, again the second triangle DCN क्या होगा DC square. Therefore इथे आपण असं लिहू शकतो CD square is equal to CN square plus DN square plus CN square is equal to the CD square. Therefore I0 is equal to integration of, in bracket, CD square or DC square plus OC square plus twice OC into CN dm. Separate the integration terms. integration of CD square into dm plus integration of OC square dm. Take 2 common, integration of OC into Cn into dm. This is the equation number 3rd. What is the value of CD? CD की value क्या है? CD square dm क्या है? From the equation number 2, it is the IC. That's why I0 is equal to IC plus OC. What is the value of OC? OC is equal to H. But इकडे तो स्क्वेअर घेऊया. x square integration of dm. Constant function integration च्या बाहेर येतात. Therefore x square integration of dm. Again OC is there plus twice h integration of Cn into dm. Equation number 4. By the formula of integration 1 into the dm, integration of 1 into the dm be the total mass of a rigid body, means the capital M, and integration of Cn into the dm should be equal to 0, because Cn is the distance and which is multiplied by the mass of the rigid body is equal to the 0. Finally, what we get? I0 is equal to IC plus mh square plus twice h into 0. Finally, I0 is equal to IC plus mh square is proved. This is nothing but the parallel axis theorem. The moment of inertia which is passing through any axis is equal to the sum of the moment of inertia which is passing through the center of a mass of a body and the product of mass of a body and the square of distance between these two parallel axes. Okay, thank you.